Alright guys, today, out of morbid curiosity, I wanted to see if I could paint correct my daily driver, 2005 Ford Explorer. Total piece of shit. I wash this thing about once every never. It has roughly 155,000 miles on it. It's probably been washed 4 times in its life. The paint's really fuckered up. So, you can see the swirls, not even trying, it's crazy. Awful oxidation and just, I don't know what the fuck this is. I guess rust, I don't know. But anyways, I got some basic stuff you could get at AutoZone or whatever. What I'm gonna do is a clay bar, cut rubbing compound, a finishing polish, a ceramic, using this really shitty oscillating buffer polisher deal with 2 different cutting pads. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and get started. And I'm just curious to see the difference. And I taped it off, so I'll do the left side. Yeah, I'm curious to see, on a cheap budget, if you can fix shitty paint. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first I'm just gonna simply use the clay bar, unopened. You can reuse them, but not too many times. And if you drop it, it's pretty much useless, so don't drop it. The paint feels so bad, it's almost like laughable. So I'm using a quick detailer to lubricate the surface as I run this over. It's going to pick up all the large boogers and any debris on the paint that you can feel with your hand. And it'll make it a better surface to start a rubbing compound on. So I'm actually pretty happy with the results of just the clay bar. I got all these little black boogers, this little, I don't know, like fallout or something. I don't know what it is, but I got it off really well. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the first step of the process, well, the second step, which is the more aggressive cutting compound. Alright, so first pass with the more aggressive rubbing compound. If I was more serious about this, I would get a lot more aggressive pad and compound, and probably even wet sand at like 3000 grit. But again, this is just a quick little test. I'm just curious to see if you guys can do this at home too. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this polish off, and then we'll go to the finish type polish, and we'll do an aggressive pad and a buffing pad. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick over with a more finishing type buffing pad. And then we'll see what we're at, and then we'll throw on some quote-unquote ceramic coating. Alright, so here's where we're at. We did I washed it, clay barred it, 2 types of rubbing compound, and now I'm going to throw on this finishing top coat of what the hell is it? The CMX Smothers, quote unquote, ceramic, and we'll see how she does compared to the right side. Alright, so according to the ceramic coating, once you apply it with an applicator, you gotta wait a couple minutes, and then you're just gonna rub it off like you would a wax. So we'll just wait 2 minutes. Alright, so the tape is off. Let's see where we're at here. You can definitely see the tape line right there. Just above it, it's a lot more gloss than below it. Pretty much what I expected, results-wise. You can definitely see a lot more sheen over there in the trees versus over there, they're kind of cloudy. You can still see swirl marks, which I expected. If I wanted to do a full paint correction, this would have to be a really, really aggressive cutting pad and probably, like I said, wet sand. And there's some things on here you're not going to get off, like this scratch right there. But one last thing I wanted to do, because we did use a ceramic top coat, quote unquote, is a hydrophobic test. I got a bottle of water here, and we'll do the right side first. It's supposed to cure for 24 hours. It's been like half an hour. But I'm just curious. Again, this is my beater. I don't really care. So let's try this side first. Let's see how it does. And it just kind of runs off. Sticks around. Nothing too exciting. So let's see what it does on the freshly done side. That's pretty cool. I'm not mad about that. So yeah, 25 minutes of my time and stuff I already had in the garage. Pretty cool. Probably take me about 6 hours to do the whole truck. I'm not going to. I don't really care about it, but that was a fun little tutorial for you guys to try at home. Water's still there. And little spots right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.